Did you know you can get rich by changing just a few things? But since most people don't like to change, they don't want to believe this is true. I'm about to show that this is true, and you can become rich by changing a few things. Are you eager for wealth? Do you yearn for abundance in your life? Yes, then you clicked on the right video. Now let's move beyond mere wishes and hopes. Allow me to reveal the 10 essential things you need to change to become a millionaire. But first, how committed are you to learning about money? Are you serious about becoming a millionaire? If you are truly serious, then watch until the end. Number 10 on the list is by far the most important. Don't miss it. I value your time, so make sure you get the value you deserve out of this video. If you don't adopt the teachings in this video, you might stay poor forever. And if you don't adopt number 10, you could be in for a lot of misery. Sorry to be so blunt, but this is important business. And you said yourself that you are serious about becoming a millionaire. Please pay attention. We're about to explore the realm of wealth, money, and success. A realm desired by many, but achieved by few. Have you ever wondered why some people accumulate riches while others struggle with debt year after year? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Consider this: despite schools providing knowledge on various subjects, why is the subject of money often neglected? Why aren't we taught the basics of managing money effectively? Why doesn't school teach about earning money? If traditional education covered financial management, perhaps many would find themselves on a different financial path today. But fear not, for what you may have missed in your education, you will learn in this short video. Are you prepared to change your life within a month? Let's get your brain prepared for the important lesson. Answer these questions honestly. Do you view money as good or bad? What are your perceptions of wealthy people? Do you believe most wealthy individuals are unethical or dishonest, or even snobs? Society often portrays the wealthy as morally ambiguous figures, shaping our views on wealth. However, it's crucial to reassess these perceptions. Money itself isn't inherently virtuous or malevolent. It's the individuals who wield it that determine its moral value. Think of money as a tool in our hands. We can use it for both positive and negative purposes, much like a hammer can build or destroy. While some may misuse wealth, many affluent individuals earn trust through their integrity and hard work. It's important to recognize that dishonesty isn't synonymous with wealth. While there are dishonest, wealthy individuals, they are the exception rather than the rule. Most affluent individuals attain their status through dedication and ethical practices. Media often sensationalizes stories of wealthy individuals involved in scandals, distorting our perception of the affluent. However, it's vital to remember that these instances don't represent the entire wealthy population. Just as there are dishonest individuals in every group, there are also honest individuals among the wealthy. If we harbor resentment toward the wealthy based on misconceptions, we limit our potential for financial success. Shifting our perspective and acknowledging the diversity within the wealthy demographic can open us up to new opportunities. How many times have you heard the statement, "Money won't make you happy"? This sentiment is often expressed by those with limited financial means, people that try to justify being poor. While money alone can't guarantee happiness, it can solve many problems that hinder true happiness. If your happiness matters to you, and I'm sure it does, having money can certainly contribute, provided it's used wisely. Let's challenge our preconceptions and adopt a more nuanced understanding of wealth and success. Our beliefs shape our reality, and by re-evaluating our perceptions, we can foster personal and financial growth. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Are you ready to make a serious change within a month? If you are ready, please go to the comments right now and type ready. Just type the word ready in the comments and I will know you are going to make serious changes very quickly and become rich. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to this channel as well. I will bring you important information about getting rich every week for free, and I don't want you to miss anything. Also, by subscribing, you are joining the Build Big Money movement. Be proud to be involved in the profound movement we are building. Okay, here we go now with the 10 crucial steps to becoming a millionaire. This is very important, with number 10 being the most important. Step 1. Having big dreams. Imagine yourself standing at the helm of your destiny, gazing out into the horizon of possibilities. What grand dreams do you see unfurling before you? Millionaires aren't made by thinking small. They're crafted from audacious visions that dare to challenge the status quo. So, tell me, what extraordinary dreams do you harbor in the depths of your imagination? Your dream needs to be big enough to scare you. Step number 2, pursuing your passions. Picture a world where every waking moment is infused with boundless enthusiasm for your craft. What passion ignites the fire within you, driving you toward excellence? Most millionaires didn't just stumble upon success. They pursued their passions with unwavering dedication, transforming mere dreams into thriving empires. What passions fuel your journey toward greatness? As Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich, you need to have a burning desire. Step 3. Developing your unique talents. Imagine your talents as seeds waiting to be nurtured into blooming flowers of success. What unique abilities do you possess that set you apart from the crowd? Whether you're a natural problem solver or a creative visionary, your talents are the keys to unlocking the doors to millionaire status. How will you cultivate and unleash your innate gifts onto the world stage? Step number 4, being the CEO of your life. Envision yourself as the master architect of your destiny, crafting a blueprint for success with every decision you make. What strategies will you employ to steer your life toward financial prosperity? As the CEO of your own existence, you hold the power to set goals, make tough decisions, and navigate the turbulent seas of life with unwavering resolve. How will you seize control of your destiny and steer it toward millionaire status? Number 5, committing to excellence. Picture a world where every endeavor is a testament to your unwavering commitment to excellence. How will you cultivate a mindset of greatness in every aspect of your life? Millionaires like Steve Jobs and Warren Buffett didn't settle for mediocrity. They pursued excellence with a fervor that inspired generations. What steps will you take to ensure that every pursuit leads you closer to millionaire status? Step number 6, having a clear sense of direction. Imagine yourself charting a course through the unpredictable waters of life, guided by a clear sense of purpose and direction. What goals will you set to navigate toward financial abundance? Millionaires aren't just lucky, they possess a crystal-clear vision of where they're headed and how they plan to get there. How will you define your path and stay focused amidst the distractions of life? Step 7. Becoming a workaholic. Envision a life where every waking moment is dedicated to the pursuit of your dreams, where hard work is not just a means to an end, but a way of life. How will you harness the power of relentless dedication to propel yourself towards success? Millionaires like Elon Musk and Oprah Winfrey didn't achieve greatness by idly waiting for success to find them. They embraced the grind and worked tirelessly to turn their dreams into reality. How will you embrace the workaholic mindset and push yourself beyond your limits? When you are passionate about your work, it won't seem like work. Number 8, becoming a lifelong student. Imagine yourself as a sponge, eagerly soaking up knowledge from every available source, constantly evolving and growing on your journey toward millionaire status. What steps will you take to expand your horizons and deepen your understanding of the world? Lifelong students like you understand that the key to success lies in continuous learning and adaptation. How will you cultivate a thirst for knowledge and position yourself at the forefront of innovation? Step 9. Courage and persistence. Picture yourself standing on the precipice of uncertainty, facing obstacles and challenges that threaten to derail your journey toward financial abundance. How will you summon the courage to push forward in the face of adversity? Millionaires understand that setbacks are merely stepping stones on the path to success, and it's your courage and persistence that will ultimately carry you across the finish line. How will you muster the strength to persevere when the going gets tough? And now we arrive at the most crucial step of all. Step number 10, self-discipline. Imagine yourself wielding the power of self-discipline like a mighty sword, cutting through distractions and temptations with unwavering resolve. How will you cultivate the discipline necessary to stay the course on your journey toward millionaire status? Millionaires understand that self-discipline is the secret ingredient that transforms dreams into reality, and it's your ability to stay focused and disciplined that will ultimately determine your success. So, my friend, self-discipline is the cornerstone upon which your millionaire dreams will be built. You showed great self-discipline by staying until the end. Great job. I'm proud of you. Now that you have a solid foundation, you need to increase your income. But how, you ask? The next step is to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you for that. The second step is to go to this video right here. Click on this one now to learn ways to increase your income.